Stop scrolling. Want to learn how to use Google Gemini AI, the smartest AI tool available today to create content, study faster, and save hours of work? This tutorial is perfect for beginners and works in Pakistan and worldwide. I'll show you step by step how to use it, plus why it's better than ChatGPT, Bard, and other AI tools. Stay until the end because I'll show advanced tricks that no other tutorial covers, including real examples for students and creators. First, open Google Gemini on your browser or phone. Just search for it. Now, sign in with your Gmail account. This step is really important because Gemini connects directly to Google's search intelligence, giving you answers that are current and accurate, unlike other AI tools. It works on Chrome Edge or even your mobile device. When you sign in with your Gmail, you unlock all the features. Always use your real Gmail account because some features won't work without it. What makes it special is this live search integration. That means you get accurate, up-to-date answers every single time. It's a total game changer. Now you're in, click on AI mode. It's time to type your first question. For example, let's try write a short YouTube script about AI. Just watch as Gemini instantly generates a complete script. See that? Unlike other AI tools, Gemini understands context, uses live Google data, and adapts the response to what you need. It remembers what you asked before, so your conversation is smarter and more coherent. If you compare it to something like ChatGPT, which often uses older data, Gemini is pulling live information. For example, you can ask Gemini about the best tablets under 15,000 PKR and it will get you local, accurate results. That's a huge advantage. Now it's your turn. Comment below with the question you want Gemini to answer next. Okay, so you have your generated text. What next? Just click the copy button. Now, you can use this text anywhere for your YouTube scripts, school assignments, emails, study notes, or social media posts. The real magic here is that Gemini automatically adapts the tone and style, so your content sounds natural and professional. You can ask for a formal tone or something informal, casual, or even creative. It's incredibly versatile for education, work, content creation, and social media. Think of the time you'll save. You don't need to do a lot of rewriting. Just tweak it slightly if you want, and you're good to go. Now, for the fun part, here are some practical tips and tricks to get the most out of Gemini. You can ask it to change the tone of any text to be formal, casual, funny, or professional. Got a long article you don't have time to read? Just paste it in and ask Gemini to summarize it into short, easy-to-read points. You can also use it to generate ideas, like YouTube scripts, essay outlines, study notes, or social media captions. The best part is how interactive it is. You can ask follow-up questions to refine the content until it's perfect. Gemini isn't just an AI tool, it's like a personal assistant that saves you hours every single day. Other AI tools often give you generic text, but Gemini adapts, is aware of local information, and lets you have a real back-and-forth conversation. It works great for queries in Pakistan, like finding local prices, exam tips, or specific study content. Ready for the advanced tricks. Here's what most tutorials don't show you. You can combine Gemini with Google Docs or Sheets for some serious workflow automation. Need to work in different languages. It handles Urdu, English, or even a mix of both seamlessly. You can generate quizzes or study tests instantly to check your knowledge. My favorite is using it for content planning. You can brainstorm 10 YouTube video ideas in just a few seconds. This is what truly makes Gemini stand out from all other AI tools. It's not just generating text, it's integrating directly into your workflow to make you more productive. So let's do a quick comparison. When it comes to live Google data, Gemini has it, while ChatGPT and Bard don't. For context awareness, Gemini is a clear winner. While others might give you a generic tone, Gemini adapts its style to you. And for workflow integration, Gemini is built for it. Most importantly for our audience, it handles Pakistan and local queries far better than other tools, which can often give irrelevant results. But in terms of speed and accuracy, Gemini is faster and uses current data, while others can be slower and rely on older information. Bottom line, Gemini is smarter, faster, and more useful, especially for students, creators, and professionals in Pakistan. And that's it. You now know everything about Google Gemini AI, from beginner steps to advanced tricks and why it's better than other AI tools. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow 4 more AI tutorials, hacks, and productivity tips that will save you hours every single week. Comment below which Gemini trick you want me to show next, and I'll make a full tutorial on it. Thanks for watching.